Beautiful people, I am so excited to be filming this video because this is my very first video on YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and you are so welcome. Please do not make this video last. I'm gonna be bringing out great content all the time. I'll try my best to look at your comments and your constructive criticism, of course, and improve on my video quality and how I film and everything else. So my name is Brandynchang and I live in Cameroon. Cameroon is a country found in West Africa, and in this country we speak both English and French. So the video of today is going to be about hair scarves. Hair scarves are mostly on those lazy days when you do not want to braid your hair, or you don't want to wear a wig and you just feel lazy and you just still want to look like you have your life put together. You just grab a hair scarf and you tie and you look polished and everything. I tie hair scarves most of the time to school, to church, to gatherings, everywhere. You just have to know how to style it and how to slay it. The different ways and the different hair scarves I have. So let's jump right into the video. So these are the various hair scarves I'm gonna be using for this video. So I will need a toothbrush and an Eco Styler gel. I love the Eco Styler gel because it doesn't flake and it keeps my hair and scalp moisturized. So I'm just gonna proceed and do my baby hair. I love using the toothbrush to do my baby hair because it makes it sleek and captures every strand of hair at the front part of my head. Gonna go ahead and make it neat. I have 2 braids on, but you can have as many braids as you want. I just have 2 braids on because that is how much I can braid. So I'm just gonna proceed to the first style. I am using my red hair scarf, and I love this design because of how elegant and neat it looks. You're just gonna go ahead and make the baby hair show, so it makes it look polished and like you're doing so much for the hair scarf. Now, the more reason why you have to do baby hair is so no one even guesses you have just braids in your hair scarf. So that's it for the first hairstyle. Looks really neat and polished, and I love this design so much. So let's proceed to style 2. I love using this hair scarf for this particular style because of how long it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it all together, twine it as you can see. So you have to twine it all through and put it in a bun. After putting it in a bun, as you can see, you have to tuck it under so it doesn't fall off. And you're all set and good to go. Look at how neat and polished this looks. Looks like you did so much on your hair. I love it. I love this next hairstyle, this next hair design, because I just love it for church gatherings because of how elegant and classy it looks like. So I'm just gonna wrap each part of the hair scarf, wrap it all together as you can see, and then put it over my head. You just put it over your head as so, and you just tie it behind and you're good to go. All good, all set. Now for the next design, I'm going to be using the same hair scarf, and the styles are similar but not the same. I'm going to still be wrapping it, but just wrapping it into one bundle and not two like the last time. So I'm just going to twine it till the end and pass it over my head and tuck it under so it looks all neat and polished. I love this particular hairstyle too, mainly for church. So the next design, I love using this particular hair scarf for this design because of how lightweight it looks like. I'm just gonna wrap it at the top, wrap it twice so it looks a little puffed and it looks like I did so much in it, meanwhile I just wrapped it. And it all looks so beautiful and polished and so elegant and classy. Now for this next headscarf tutorial. I am using this particular headscarf because I love the weight as well and the length. Like I said in this video, every style has a particular hairstyle because not all headscarves are the same. Some are longer, some are lightweighted, some are heavy. You just have to know what works best with the design you want to produce. So you just wrap it as so and you're all good to go. Now this next design is for those days when you do not want to do baby hair. So that's why you see me covering the baby hair and not trying to show it off. So you just put it over the baby hair, over the hair, and just wrap it then. And look how polished and good it looks like. It still looks like you have your life put together. As you can see, I'm sweating so much. But it looks so good. We've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day.